Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up a product widget from Actions.so in your Notion workspace. This will help you showcase your products beautifully and make your Notion pages more interactive. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the Actions.so website to choose a product widget that fits our needs. For this tutorial, I'll choose a widget that highlights a single product with an image, description, and a Buy Now button. Once you've decided on your widget, you can customize it. You can choose the product title, the proper product category, and set a clear price. In order for your customers to be able to purchase your product, provide the correct link. Then you can also customize your call to action button. Choose something like Buy Now or Free Download to match your product offering the best. You can then choose the color of your widget. And don't forget to upload a high-quality image of your product. After customizing your widget, click Generate Embed Code and copy the link provided. Now let's embed this widget into our Notion page. Open your Notion page where you want to add the product widget. Simply click where you want your widget to appear, type /embed into your Notion page, and paste the link you just copied. Hit Enter, and your product widget will be embedded into your page. And there you have it. Your product widget is now live on your Notion page. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see the product image, title, price, and a Buy Now button, all nicely integrated into our Notion workspace. This setup is perfect for showcasing products in an e-commerce setup or a product catalog. Let's look at another example. Say you have multiple products to showcase. You can create a grid layout by embedding multiple product widgets. Simply embed the widgets on one page and arrange them next to each other in a visually appealing grid. This helps in organizing your products neatly and makes it easier for users to browse through. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to set up and customize product widgets from Actions.so. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the Actions website, where you can find many other useful Notion widgets.